Hi guys, what's going on? Welcome back to our 8th CSS video tutorial. In this video tutorial we are going to be discussing about excuse me. Sorry, it was just like something was on my throat. Okay, it's clear now. In this video tutorial we are going to be discussing about text formatting and how you can add style to your text. Now you can see the default color of this text is black, and look at how the text is now, the font style and stuff like that, or the size. Now we are going to be doing some formatting to this, some of this text here. Okay, that's what we're going to be doing in this video. Okay, all right, now let's get started. Now first of all, we are going to be talking about how you can add colors to your text. Now the color property is used to set the color of text, the color property in a CSS. Now you know what property is now, so I shouldn't be explaining that to you again. Okay, now let's see in P1. Let's say color. You know about colors, you can add them, you can use the hex value, you can use the RGB value, you can also use the normal name, English name for colors. Okay, now let's first of all let's use the English name for colors. Let's say blue. That means the text in a paragraph and the class 1 paragraph will be, the color will be changed to blue. Okay, let's check that out. You've seen that. Okay, let's change it to red and see how it's gonna look like. It's gonna look like red. Okay, that's red. Now we can also change it to we can use a X value, which is, let's say 0 0 0 0. We want to use, okay, let me use blue. Okay, and if you want to use blue, you can use green. Okay, all right, that's green. Okay, that's just that with color. So you can use different colors. All you have to do is just give the property, change, give a name to a property, use color as a property, and the value. Then you can define the value, the color value. Okay. All right. Now, I think we should also give value to add colors to let's say this one, color, and here we use RGB. Let's say 255 255 100. Okay, let's terminate that. Oh, you've seen this color. What color is this? I don't fucking know. I know it's close to red actually. Alright, because this this red here is, the color is high, it's at the highest, which is 255. Okay, alright, now let's talk about text alignment. Text alignment property is used to set the horizontal alignment of the text. You know about, you know text alignment from your Microsoft Word. You know how you can align text to the left or right or center. Okay, now that's what we are going to check out in the next. Let's check that out. Text align. Okay, let's say right. Okay, let's say right. Okay, now this is going to be aligned to the right of. Okay, it is aligned to the right. Now in, let's let's do this. Let's say use H1, text align, center, Okay, the H1, the heading will be aligned to the center, just like that. Okay, we also have the, this one by default is left. Okay, anything you're writing in an element is gonna be aligned to the left by default. Okay, now this one by default, you can also change this to left if you want. It's just as simple. Okay, okay, okay. Text can also be justified. Text can also be justified. Okay, now how can we do that? If we have lots of text here, let's say, okay, let's do this. Sorry, let's view that in the browser, see what's gonna happen. Okay, now let's justify it. That should be 2. Text align justify, close it. Alright, now you've seen that. Simple as that. Okay, let me give a padding of, let me say 10 pixel. No, 10 is too much. I say 8 pixel. Okay, now you seen that. It's just cool. Okay, there's also what we call text decoration. The text decoration property is used to set or remove decorations from text. You've been seeing something like links from our website, and you see most link by default it's gonna be underlined. Now text decoration is probably when you underline a text. Okay, now let's check that out in a moment, and let's create a link in this first. Okay, let's do it like this. A href is equal to, let's say, okay, put hash here, and close this, open another one, a. Okay, now let's write, this is a link. Okay, okay, now it's been underlined, right? Alright, now let's work on that using text decoration. Now if you want to work, if you want to format the a link, now you call, a is the element name. Okay, that's the element name. Now this is the attribute, right? Okay, from the element name you call the element name and just say a, just write text decoration, text decoration. You can just say none. Simple. You seen that? Very simple. Text decoration none. You've seen that. Okay, now there's how you can also do that, probably in X. Okay, let me use this as an example. Text decoration, I want to add text decoration, underline. Now the H1 will be underlined. Okay, you see that. Now if you want to change it to overline, you want to add a line over it, now you can just put an overline. Now you've seen that. So very simple. Now another value you can give to it is line true. Okay, alright, let's check that out. as you're crossing a line through it. Now you've seen that. It's very simple. Okay, let me check my time if I still have time. I got like 4 minutes. Okay, now there's also what we call text transformation. The text transformation property. It is used to specify uppercase and lowercase letters in a text. Okay, it can be used to turn everything into uppercase or lowercase, or capitalize the first letter in each word. Okay, so now let's do this. Let's check um, the first paragraph, which is this: text transform, all of them uppercase. Okay, this is just simple. You've seen all the letters here, all the text here has been changed to uppercase. It can also change to lowercase. Everything you already know the spelling of lowercase actually. Let's change. Let's change to lowercase and just see how it looks like. Okay, all right, lowercase. Okay, now let's check capitalize. Sorry, capitalize. Is that the lice? I think there should be Z. Okay, now let's see. It means all the first letters is capitalized. All the first letter of each word is capitalized. Okay, that's just simple. Now there's also what we call indentation. Text indents, the property text indent. Now indenting means shifting this by how many pixels you're giving it. Okay, now let's check that out here. Text indents. Okay, and let's say 50 pixel. Okay, now let's check that out. You've seen that. Just very simple. Let me check my time. Very simple. Okay, so I have 2 minutes. Okay, let me see if I can finish this. Now there's also what we call letter spacing. Now if you want to space the letters here, you can also do that. Letters, each of them be spaced a little. Okay, now where am I gonna do that? Okay, let me use the div and text. Sorry, letter spacing. Sorry, it's not text. Letter spacing property. Let's say 2 pixel. Now have you seen that? 2 pixel in the div. You've seen it. Look at it. Now the space here is different from the one here. Okay, now if you want to increase it to 4, you can do that. Want to increase it to 4, you can do that. Now you've seen that it's too much. Okay, now let's reduce it. You can also use minus negative values. Okay, you can also use negative values. You seen that? So that's just simple. We also have line height and line direction. Maybe I'm gonna do another video for that. Okay, now let's pause this here. Let me check how many time I have, how much time left. Oh wow, I'm done. Okay, see you in the next video.